tell us about the Afro Perfection. Tell me what's that about?
Oh man, in fact, when we thought of putting together this Afrotainment Marquee this year, we thought what better way or what better theme than to use Afro Perfection. We're looking forward to see people rocking their best outfits like perfect. So the music is perfect. You know, the groups that we're working with right now, they're perfect. So it's going that way.
And how did you choose some of the people that we have today for the photo shoot? How did you choose who to put in that group?
Well, man, we had to choose people that represent the city and also people that are on the forefront of everything that is happening right now. You know, Kanta Mafizo, because she's doing very well right now with clothing yake. So, and also she's just part of our family. We just thought, let's get her to be part of this photo shoot. That's by Simpisan, and also a prominent model and a person who's just really look after himself here in Durban. Naima K, Songbird, and also the two gentlemen from Uzalo. They're also doing very well promoting ICAS. It's got a lot to do with kidnapping.
Cool. And what's happening with you? When can you expect new music?
We're working on Black music album.
Your new dad, right?
My brother got 2 boys. I've got 2 boys, and then now the daughter is just a blessing.
Cool. And then lastly, what can people expect from your Marquee, Durban July? What are you? Yeah.
Our Marquee is always class, as always. People, that's why even now maybe our packages are about to get sold out. You know, when I just released the artwork today, just not saying much, just Afrotainment Marquee, and that we're going down, the email started flooding. So we're looking forward to this year, continue doing it bigger and bigger and better. And of course, after the Afrotainment Marquee, we head to the fact that we the biggest after party. So where people travel all over South Africa, and that's great. Johannesburg, Cape Town, they can't expect them. So we're looking forward to partying with them once again.
Alright, cool. Tira, thank you so much.
Okay, sure.
Cool, man. Alright.